applying for food counter attendant, which most of my experience and skills are closely related in this field. My name is Nel De Paz Fernandez, 24 years of age, a male, a single, and a Filipino citizen. I'm basically from Baybay City, Leyte, Philippines. I had completed my graduation from Visayas State University on last April 2012 with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Hotel, Restaurant, and Tourism Management. I feel that my work experience that would be very beneficial to your corporation. The first experience that I had is working in Singapore at the Seafood International Market and Restaurant for 1 year. It is a Chinese cuisine and fine dining. And working in this company was a great opportunity for me. As a waiter, I was able to develop my self-confidence, strong communication, and interpersonal skills working in fast-paced environment. I answer phone calls and take customer reservations. I present white wine, red wine, whiskey, brandy, Chinese wine, and champagne in front of the customers. We're authorized also in flambe cooking such as flaming prawn, flaming crab, cooking the chuchu vegetables, and slicing the Peking duck in front of the customers. We do the table setup for VIP rooms, functions for events like weddings, birthday parties, seminar, and meetings, and other area of the establishment, and also presenting the bill. And currently now I'm working at the Jusinjung Samgitang. It is a Korean restaurant. I started working here on last December 2012. And being a waiter in this company, I was responsible of taking reservations, organizing seating, greeting customers, seats the customers, distributing menus, and taking orders as liaison between the dining area and the kitchen, and also presenting the bill. After the couple of months, I was promoted to a captain. I was able to act with my own initiative and motivate other staff to improve the quality of their work. I'm checking the daily inventory records, monitor action of staff and customers, inspect equipments and deliveries, perform all necessary tasks, and to serve food and beverages according to the service standards, monitor food preparation and methods, and to obtain and improve my career and capabilities. I should be exerting more efforts, working hard, and extend my patience on waiting in this opportunity to become a success. I'm still hoping also that one day I'm working to your corporation. Thank you for your time, American. Once again, I'm Nel De Paz Fernandez. I hope you will not forget my name. Thank you and God bless.